Good morning, my YouTube followers. This is what it looks like from inside our bedroom on our water, over the water villa. Sunrise. Look at that sunrise. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's so tight. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? Y'all can't see I ain't in the water. I'm gonna get this. I'm about to swim. Look at that. Oh, that is nice. Look at that sunrise. It's so nice. Calm and peaceful. Look at me. Look at me now. Look at me now.
Good morning.
Yes, and what a good morning. Look at that. Ooh. Now that's what I'm talking about. Yes. How you like us now? Y'all know what she doing with that good water. You know, like Becky with that good hair, with that good water. She about to hook that coffee up for us. Uh-oh, I done showed y'all what a goodie cabinet at. We bought our own Starbucks till we get ready to go to breakfast. We prepared. We good. And this is good.
How's your Starbucks?
The bomb.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you.
You very welcome. You very welcome. My honey bae always take care of me and get my coffee. That's why I bring her on stuff like this.
We appreciate each other.
Cool. On our way to breakfast.
Oh, wait.
She hungry. Let me see if she hungry.
I'm hungry.
Let me. I don't look like you walking too fast. She says, I'm gonna see how much she eat.
Oh, whatever. I'm gonna eat enough. I'm gonna eat enough. No.
Check her out. She trying to get there. She trying to get there.
Let me run.
No, you don't gotta run.
Oh, okay.
No, don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah, she on her way to breakfast. Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, good morning.
In paradise.
In paradise.
She gonna say everything I'm gonna say? Yeah, or she gonna say something different?
She gonna say everything I'm gonna say, or she gonna say something different?
I'm lost for words.
No, you're not. I'm lost for words.
This woman is something else.
This woman is something else.
What? Oh, look.
Aww.
You wouldn't do that with me.
No. Not at all.
My man.
Good morning.
Yeah. Good morning. Yep. Yep.
Staple?
Most definitely.
Staple?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay. Enjoying our lovely breakfast.
Yes, waiting on our omelets and scramble from Leeton over there. But while we're waiting,
Cool. Thank you. They enjoying themselves. Kayaking. And all that water.
careful, baby. Don't fall over. They'll be like, save yourself. Oh, save yourself. Just like you did me. Left me in the water snorkeling the other day.
They ain't gonna see. We didn't have the camera rolling on that one. I wish the camera would have been rolling. Then y'all would have saw me
Run past me while I fall in the ocean, get spitting up salt water and everything. And he run past me because he seen some swordfish jumping towards us. My feet wouldn't move. It's stuck in the sand. So he's passing me and I'm falling. See?
No,
Then what's...
that's true. But I was gonna come back for it. I was saving myself first. If y'all would have seen them fishes come after us, like I said, the camera wasn't rolling, but if y'all would have seen them fish, I was trying to get back and put my camera and phone down, and then I was gonna come back and get it. I was gonna come back and get it.
But my phone can get wet. It has sand, salt water all up in it. Yours, you had to go put down?
Yeah, I was going to save myself.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, go ahead, save yourself.
At that point, that's when y'all seen me in the pool. Forget this ocean water. That is so beautiful. Look at that.
Just to wash our feet off of the sand.
Are you scared? Look at you, Mr. GQ. Oh, check him out, y'all. Check him out. Wow, 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 wow. I see you. I see you.
You know I'm doing this.
Oh, you looking good, too.
TAFT. Just up to all the fellas back at home in the T. Hey, F, T, tab, baby.
Look at you.
I'm out here in the Maldives doing it for all of us. Y'all need to experience this. I love you guys. Hope y'all enjoy the videos. My tab family. I'm trying to represent. Keep doing what I'm doing, making things happen.
You doing it too.
There it goes. See it? It's right there. Shark.